and every Tuesday kune-demon elibizwa Nabroth. Nabroth is a name of angel, fallen angel. Igama lalo Nabroth. Nabroth igama lika fallen angels. This angel lisebenza ngo-Tuesday. Uye eyenza ukuthi abantu bayenze amaphutha amaningi. Anything eyenzakalayo on Tuesday engekho right iyenzwa this fallen angel. Usebenza kakhulu on Tuesday. Igama lakho Nabroth. As long as it is Tuesday, past 12 ebusuku, mighty past 12 ebusuku, midnight, mighty past 12. Once it past 12, ilanga elisa ngithi. So from past 12 ebusuku, after midnight, until 12 ebusuku futhi midnight, kusebenza le demon le on Tuesday, Nabroth. And then futhi ngo Wednesday kune another fallen angel, yena responsible ukusebenza ukucontroller ama mistakes, ukucontroller ilizwe. This fallen angel igama lalo elisebenza ngo Wednesday ngolwesithathu. Igama lale fallen angel Astaroth. Astaroth is a name of a fallen angel. Ucontroller ilanga le Wednesday. Anything eyenzakala ngo Wednesday emhlabeni icontroller lo this angel Astaroth. Umsebenzi lo unikezwe uSathane. And then on Thursday kunenye futhi another fallen angel. Yena igama lakhe, this fallen angel, igama lakhe Akam. Akam is the name of a fallen angel. Ucontroller every Thursday from after midnight past 12 to 12 o'clock ebusuku. From past 12 midnight to midnight again. So kusebenza this fallen angel. Igama lalo Akam. Usebenza ngo Thursday. So on Friday kunenye futhi another fallen angel. That fallen angel on Friday, he is responsible for anything eyenzakalayo on Friday, ne? Because every Friday is the beginning of the weekend. Abantu bafuna ukuya emnandini because it is Friday. Sasa ngo Saturday abathukile. So abantu abaningi baqala ukuphuza utshwala on Friday because bathi weekend. So every Friday icontrolwa this angel ebizwa uBheke. Bheke is the name of a fallen angel. Controller Friday. Ilanga le Friday the controller with this fallen angel elibizwa Bheke. And then on Saturday kune another fallen angel. This fallen angel, he is responsible for Saturday. As long as it is a Saturday, this angel abizwa Nabam. Nabam, and then Nabam is the name of angel, ne? Fallen angel. Usizwa elinye futhi because I2 leli elimsizayo igama lalo Sankai. Two angels, lo munye Nabam, omunye Sankai. These angels yibo abayenza ukuthi kube nama night club, kube nama festival, abantu baya emnandini, abantu babuzana ukuthi kumnandi kuphi, baya lapho bayojiva because kunabo DJ, kunama night club, kuyakhaliswa kumnandi on Saturday. Saturday is either ekseni or emini or ebusuku. As long as it is Saturday, these two angels controller the day of Saturday. Igama lakhe this angel ubani Nabam, omunye Sankai are the name of the angels controller ilanga le Saturday. Ningizwe kahle bazalwane. These angels are the ones who are controlling music. Because on Saturday abantu bafuna ukuya emnandini, and emnandini kukhaliswa music, abantu bayajiva bayenzani. So lona this angel Nabam and Sankai controller music. Abo DJ bakhalisa ama festival, nabo banbani, the musician, they making the festival, DJ bakhalisa music. So these two angels controller the day of Saturday. And then on Sunday there is another angel, ne? This angel igama lakhe Agiel. Igama lakhe this angel yena controller Sunday. And then unama demon amaningi, this fallen angel, ne? Unama